You wake up at 3 a.m. again. Your heart is racing. Your mind is buzzing. And you know tomorrow is going to be a total disaster. Do not reach for those sleeping pills yet. There is a hidden treasure sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now that can fix your broken sleep. I am talking about turmeric. But I bet you're using it the wrong way, making it completely useless and letting the nutrients just flush away. Most people think just stirring it into warm water is enough. That is a massive mistake. Today, I will show you the activated turmeric formula. Curcumin is the active ingredient, but it is incredibly hard for your body to absorb. Without the right key, 95% of it is wasted. This is what most people do not know. If you follow my method, you can shut down the anxiety control panel in your brain tonight. I am going to share 3 levels of using turmeric, from stopping joint pain instantly to the liquid gold that keeps you asleep until morning. The results will be visible from the very first night. You will finally stop that cycle of waking up and feeling exhausted every single day. Don't skip the end, because I will reveal a double emptying technique that ensures you never have to get up for the bathroom at midnight again. Why do you wake up at 3 a.m.? In traditional medicine, this is when your liver is working the hardest to detoxify your entire system. If your body is inflamed or your cortisol levels are too high, your liver sends a signal that jolts you out of your deep sleep. We need to lower that inflammation. Level 1 is the turmeric freeze patch. This is for when physical pain is keeping your brain awake. When your joints ache, your brain cannot enter deep sleep. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties when applied directly to the skin using this paste. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and a bit of minced ginger. Stir until it becomes a very thick, consistent paste. Apply this mixture directly to the area that hurts. Whether it is your knee, your shoulder, or your lower back, the skin will absorb it. Wrap it with gauze to keep the heat in. This reduces swelling and calms the local nerves, allowing your entire body to finally let go. Here is a pro tip. Apply a thin layer of olive oil to your skin before the patch. This prevents the turmeric from staining your skin. It makes it much easier to wash off the next morning. Now, let us move to level 2, which targets your nervous system directly. This is the Double Boost Golden Milk. It is a massive upgrade from the traditional version you might have heard about or tried before. Take 200 milliliters of nut milk and add half a spoon of turmeric. But wait, do not stop there. We need the activator. You must add a pinch of black pepper. This is non-negotiable. Without black pepper, the turmeric is mostly just passing through your digestive tract. Pepper contains piperine. This incredible compound increases your body's ability to absorb turmeric by 2,000%. It is like adding rocket fuel. I also add a 1/4 spoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is vital because it stabilizes your blood sugar, preventing those midnight hunger spikes that wake you. Whisk it gently over low heat. If you are a man who wakes up to use the bathroom, the 3rd formula is your true savior. I drink this an hour before bed. It signals to your brain that the day is over and it is safe to descend into deep sleep. Now we reach level 3, the Super Golden Syrup. This is the most powerful version because we are actually cooking the turmeric for time. Simmer half a cup of turmeric with 1 cup of water for exactly 7 minutes. This heat breaks down the starch and releases the curcumin. Turn off the heat and stir in 1/3 cup of coconut oil. The fat acts as a carrier, bringing the medicine exactly where it needs. Add 2 tablespoons of black pepper to this concentrate. This syrup is a heavy-duty tool to reset your internal clock and heal your gut. Store this in your refrigerator. It will stay fresh for weeks. You only need 1/4 of a teaspoon each night to see the effect. This syrup targets the prostate and bladder, or it reduces the irritation that makes you feel like you have to go to the bathroom at midnight. For the best results, eat your small dose with a few almonds. The healthy fats in almonds are the perfect transport medium for the turmeric. You have 3 steps now. Use the patch for pain, the milk for anxiety, or the syrup for a total sleep system reset tonight. Do not feel like you have to do all of them at once. Just pick the one that fits your biggest problem and start today. Now, I promise to tell you about the double emptying technique to stop those midnight bathroom trips. This is a game changer for many people. Go to the bathroom at 10 p.m. After you finish, do not just leave. Sit there and relax for 30 more seconds in complete silence. Try to go one more time. You will be shocked by how much extra liquid was still trapped. And that residue is what wakes you up. If you found this hack helpful, please hit the like button. It helps the algorithm share this video with others who are struggling to sleep. Comment the words, "I tried it," below so we can track your progress together. I want to hear how you feel after 3 nights. A good night's sleep is your right. I want you to wake up feeling energized and ready to take on the world tomorrow morning. Sleep is the foundation of your health. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the most peaceful night of your life. Goodbye for now. Remember that nature provides the best remedies if we know how to unlock them. Turmeric is more than just a spice for your curry. Every cell in your body responds to the nutrients you provide. Give it the tools it needs to repair itself while you're resting. Consistency is the key to any natural protocol. Try this for at least 1 week to allow your system to fully adjust to the curcumin. Imagine waking up before your alarm, feeling completely refreshed. No more brain fog, no more heavy eyelids, just pure energy to start your day. Prepare your nighttime routine before you get too tired. Having everything ready makes it much easier to stick to this life-changing habit. Stress is a major factor in inflammation. While the turmeric works on your biology, let your breath work on your psychology and calm down. This simple change can ripple through your entire life. Better sleep means better mood, better focus, and a much stronger immune system for you. Don't let another 3 a.m. wake-up call ruin your health. Take control tonight with these simple, science-backed steps from your own kitchen cabinet. Your kitchen is your pharmacy. Learning how to use these common ingredients can save you from many unnecessary trips to the doctor later. The texture should be smooth and rich, like a healing balm made specifically for your body's recovery during the long night hours ahead. Keep your environment dim as you prepare your golden milk. Bright lights can suppress melatonin, fighting against the very sleep you are seeking. The aroma of cinnamon and turmeric is actually therapeutic. Breathe it in deeply as you take your first sip of the golden milk. Your gut health and sleep are deeply connected. By reducing gut inflammation with turmeric, you're directly telling your brain it is time to rest. You deserve to feel this peace every single night. No more dreading the bed, and no more fearing the clock hitting that lonely 3 a.m. hour. Coconut oil isn't just for flavor. It contains medium-chain triglycerides that help your brain function better while you are dreaming in deep sleep. Combine the turmeric syrup with a minute of mindfulness. This dual approach addresses both the physical and mental barriers to a perfect night. Your internal rhythm is like the tides. It needs balance. Turmeric helps recalibrate your circadian clock so you wake up with the sun. Disconnect from the digital world as you connect with your body's needs. Let the turmeric be your guide back to a natural state. Never forget the pepper. It is the silent hero that unlocks the entire potential of this protocol. Without it, you're just drinking yellow milk. People will start asking you what has changed. Well, you will look better because you're finally getting the deep, restorative sleep you have lacked. Healing takes time, but nature is patient. Trust the process of using these ancient spices to mend what modern life has broken in you. This syrup is your secret weapon. Keep it in the back of the fridge and use it whenever you feel a stressful week coming. Turmeric modulates your immune system. It stops the overactive inflammation that keeps your body in a state of high alert during the night. Find your ritual. Whether it is in a garden or a cozy kitchen, make this turmeric hack a moment of self-care you look forward to. The almond is small but powerful. It provides the perfect amount of fat and magnesium to complement the turmeric and relax your muscles. The world can wait until tomorrow. Tonight, your only job is to let the golden milk do its work while you drift away peacefully. Choose the natural path. There are no side effects here, only side benefits like better digestion and glowing skin for your whole body. The answers to our modern problems are often found in our ancient past. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years for a reason. Be patient with the heat. Let the ingredients meld together. The slow preparation is part of the relaxation process for your busy mind. Keep track of your journey. You will be amazed to see how quickly your 3 a.m. wake-ups become a thing of the distant past. The scent of cinnamon is a signal to your brain that it is time to wind down. It creates a sense of warmth and security. You're a part of the universe's natural rhythm. Let go of the day's worries and trust your body to heal itself with nature's help. This hack is your lantern. It will lead you through the dark hours of the night back to the light of a restful morning. You have done something great for your health today. This small effort will pay off in hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep for years. Notice how your body feels as you drink the golden milk. Your heart rate slows, your muscles loosen, and your breathing becomes deeper. Pair the turmeric hack with other calming scents if you like. The goal is to create a sanctuary for your sleep every night. The transition to sleep should be seamless. Turmeric helps smooth out the metabolic spikes that cause you to wake up in a panic. Tidying up your space can also tidy up your mind. Prepare your kitchen and prepare your heart for a night of true restoration. The heat activates the compounds, making them bioavailable. Science meets tradition in this simple pan on your stove every single evening. Movement and nutrition go hand in hand. A few gentle stretches will help the turmeric reach your joints and muscles even faster tonight. If you need a bit of sweetness, add a touch of raw honey. It contains enzymes that further support your liver's nighttime detoxification process. Positive thoughts combined with the right nutrients create a powerful internal environment for healing. Sleep with a grateful heart and a full soul. You're not alone in your struggle. Millions are awake with you at 3 a.m., but now you have the secret to break free. Whether it is physical or emotional pain, turmeric acts as a soothing balm. It quietens the signals of distress that disrupt your rest. Let your sleep be like the ocean, vast, deep, and rhythmic. Use the turmeric hack to find your natural flow once again tonight. The stillness of the milk represents the stillness you will find in your mind. No more racing thoughts about tomorrow's endless to-do list. It is a taste of health. It is a taste of freedom from insomnia. Every sip is a step toward a better version of yourself. You can even add turmeric to a warm bath for a full-body anti-inflammatory experience. Let the healing soak into every single pore. You have the power to change your health. It starts with one small choice in your kitchen tonight. Do not wait for tomorrow. The steam carries the scent of quail and turmeric, soothing your olfactory system and prepping your brain for a journey into deep dreams. End your day properly. Transition from the busyness of work to the tranquility of home with the help of your golden milk ritual. This is your liquid gold. It is more valuable than any expensive supplement because it is fresh, natural, and made with your own hands. This is the goal. Undisturbed rest that allows your body to perform its nightly miracles of repair, growth, and detoxification for your health. You have the key now. The combination of turmeric, fat, and pepper is the code that unlocks your body's natural ability to stay asleep. Nature doesn't make mistakes. Everything we need is already here. We just need to learn the right way to use these powerful tools. Wake up to a world that looks brighter. When you sleep well, your perception of life changes. You become more patient, kind, and energetic. Connect with the source. This root comes from the earth, and it brings that grounding energy into your body when you consume it. Make your evenings a celebration of slow living. The turmeric hack is the perfect companion for a quiet, tech-free hour before you sleep. The synergy of these ingredients is a masterpiece of biochemistry. It is simple, yet it is one of the most powerful things you can do. 3 steps to freedom: patch for the joints, milk for the nerves, and the syrup for the deep, long-lasting reset your body craves. If you know someone who is always tired, send them this video. You might be the person who finally helps them get a good night. Remember the double emptying trick for your bladder. It is such a simple physical habit that can save you from that 3 a.m. wake-up. You are the master of your own well-being. These kitchen hacks are your tools to build a life of health, energy, and deep rest. Precision matters. Use the right amounts, add the pepper, and watch how your biology transforms from the inside out starting tonight. The energy you gain from deep sleep will change your entire day. You will perform better at work and have more love for your family. Join our community of sleepers. Share your results and let us support each other on this journey back to natural, healthy sleep cycles. The night is your friend, not your enemy. With turmeric by your side, you can embrace the darkness and find the rest you deserve. I am so glad you watched this until the end. It shows you are serious about your health. I believe in your ability to heal. Even the flower of the turmeric plant is a symbol of life and vitality. Bring that essence into your home and into your body tonight. Sweet dreams are waiting for you. Let the golden milk soothe your system and lead you into the deep, restorative sleep you have earned. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious, and most importantly, sleep well, my friend. Goodbye for now. Tonight is the night everything changes. Take your turmeric, practice your breathing, and enjoy the best sleep of your entire life. Good night.